Samsung night photography settings for better low light photos. To capture clearer and brighter images at night using your Samsung smartphone, open the camera app and tap More, then select Night Mode. This mode is specially optimized to enhance low light performance by automatically adjusting exposure, ISO, and noise reduction. For better control, tap the yellow exposure time indicator, often shown with a crescent moon icon. You can switch between auto and max exposure to allow more light into the sensor, resulting in brighter and more detailed photos. Stability is essential in night mode. Keep your phone completely steady during capture. Using a tripod is recommended, or you can lean your device against a stable surface like a wall to reduce motion blur. For best results, avoid moving subjects and ensure minimal background shake. With proper lighting balance and stability, your Samsung device can produce professional quality night photography results clearly every time.